I just got back from the office after actually quite a good day at the office, and it made me think I'm very good at noticing what I haven't done yet. There's always a long to-do list, there's always things to get done, but I'm not always good at noticing how far I've already come, what I've already achieved. So I want to ask the cards, what am I not giving myself enough credit for? What am I not seeing? The Six of Pentacles. And I feel this is really a card of equal give and take. I know in the card he's giving to the one and not to the other one, and the other one's waiting to receive, but he's also got the scales in his hands of balancing, and he decides who he gives energy to and not, or who he gives money to in this instance. So I feel what I'm really good at is balancing my energy. And that is why I was talking about the energy, balancing who I give energy to and who I don't give my energy to, having a good level of protection of my energy during the workday and coming back home and still having enough energy for the evening and being able to still recharge my energy with what I enjoy doing. So just asking you, what haven't you given yourself enough credit for lately?